And I also like to then imagine whatever it is. So my alien, let's just say alien. For me, in my brain, when I say alien or ET, I'm talking highly psychic, telekinetic, like otherworldly, supernatural abilities, gorgeous, like perfection, like perfection, okay? And I imagine that part or that thing merging with my DNA. So you can see the DNA strand, then you can see whatever it is. It can be shiny, it can have like quadruple helixes, whatever it is. It usually has more than one helix. It usually has like 4, 6, somewhere in there. And if you've seen images of, you know, you can pull things from like things you've seen, like for me, like on the Fifth Element, when they showed her DNA and how it was perfect, but it was like 6 times the structure of regular DNA. Whatever that is, pull those images up in your brain, whatever you have to work with, and see it merging with your DNA, usually at this point. And let it go, let it intertwine, let it coil, let it merge until then there's this like divine fire thing that happens where you are literally birthing this. So in your meditation, you have your DNA, you have this perfect image of like this alien DNA. What's it look like? It has like 3 different coils, and we have like 2 different coils, and they all coiled together, and they all kind of do like a serpent thing, okay? Also, Kundalini energy, that whole snaky feeling, that is very connected with DNA. Very, very, very. So it will activate that. Like once you start doing these DNA activation meditations, I bet you money your Kundalini will start kicking off. And this will not be forced, because you're not literally going into the intention of activating your Kundalini. You're literally going into the intention of activating your DNA. The Kundalini is just a side effect, which is the safest way. You know, they say like don't force it, and I totally agree. Just kind of let it happen on its own. It's very intense. And so once it merges, literally in your brain or your body, at this point, usually for me, my muscles start to twitch. My eyes, all of a sudden I'm sucked really deep into like a REM, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left eye movement thing. I can feel the energy now, because I've been doing this for so long. I can literally sense this pattern. and I'm going with it. Okay, but before now, I've never really sensed the wave, but you can feel the energy moving through your body. Like you might feel like your spine wants to move, or you might have twitches going through your arms or whatever. This is your consciousness and your physical vessel manifesting your DNA activation. And usually after this, your psychic abilities increase, your contact experiences increase, your intuition, like you're just knowing, or like even like flashes of like information, even repressed memories come through. Like all of this happens. It's very magical. And just with this simple DNA activation. Another method that you can use, which is even faster, is see your DNA, then look past it and let your consciousness go as far as you can to what you would call like the source code, the source program, the source spark, whatever it is. It's like this, literally like celestial flame of creation, which has something to do with what souls are made of. And like, yeah, like source, like creator energy. Find it out in the void. Bring it in to your body. Okay, this, and we're not even focusing on DNA right now. DNA is just sort of in the background at this moment. Then when you're ready, go back to your DNA and infuse it with this celestial fire. This celestial fire will activate it, it will heal it, it will transmute it, it will do all of the things. Like, if you want to just short and quick DNA activation, finding this source spark, or like and bringing it into your body, and in your aura, and you feel it, and you're literally become this celestial plasma fire being